Matt Soppa, and I'm the owner and founder of Make It Modular and the builder and driver of the Coyote Swap Ford Fusion. One of my favorite things about drifting is it brings a lot of gearheads together. One of the best feelings is the reaction of a first-time ride-along passenger, and there's no replicating that feeling. There's not many other motorsports I feel like that can give that reward to a driver. One of my favorite things about drifting is I can not only show off my skills as a driver, but also as a builder of a car. So you can really showcase your talents. Half the fun, for me anyway, is building the car, knowing the car inside and out. So I'm super pumped to bring myself and my car to the next event. See you at the track.